Hello and welcome back to a new video. I'm live right now. I'm live every Friday, so come and join every Friday. And this is going to be a new project. So let's waste no time and let's hop in it. Let us clean the project. Now it's done. Let's assemble the new project. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. What? Come on now. That's it for the day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It was short because I just want to be done with this series actually, so I can learn something else. And I don't mean that I don't learn anything about this, but I'm just saying that I want to build something on the breadboard that I created, and I learn better when I create the things and I got the control over what I'm doing and stuff like that. And it's pretty hard because this series is like 15 episodes and I'm only on 5, and it's pretty hard because there's so many things that I want to do and it stresses me out. But I'm live every Friday, so you can come and join in and say hello, and just leave again if that's already up to you. Actually, I'm live every Friday, so have a nice day.